Hey learners, Pranshi Verma this side. Welcome to my channel guys. In today's YouTube session, we are going to discuss multiple choice practice question and answer on environmental science and ecology. Guys, they all are basic multiple choice question and answer for your regular examination. In this, your first question is, ecology deals with the study of option A, living beings, option B, living and non-living components, option C, reciprocal relationship between living and non-living components, option D, environment. The right answer is option C. Ecology deals with the study of reciprocal relationship between living and non-living components. Okay. Next question. Photosociology deals with option A, ecology of a species, option B, ecology of many species, option C, ecology of community, option D, all of the above. Right answer is option A, ecology of a species. Next question. Cynosology deals with option A, ecology of many species, option B, ecology of many populations, option C, ecology of community, option D, none of the above. The right answer is option C. Cynosology deals with ecology of many populations. Next question. Ecotype is a type of a species in which environmentally induced variations are option A, temporary, option B, genetically fixed, option C, genetically not related, option D, none of the above. Right answer is option B, genetically fixed. Okay. Ecotype is a type of species in genetically fixed environmentally induced variations. Ecotype is a type of species in which environmentally induced variations are genetically fixed. Next question. The term biocenosis was proposed by option A, Transley, option B, Carl Moebius, option C, warming, option D, none of the above. Right answer here is option B, Carl Moebius. Okay, the term biocenosis was proposed by Carl Moebius. Next question. The pyramid of energy in any ecosystem is option A, always upright, option B, maybe upright or inverted, option C, always inverted, option D, none of the above. Right answer is option A, always upright. Pyramids are ecosystem in always upright. Next question. Energy flow in ecosystem is option A, unidirectional, option B, bidirectional, option C, multidirectional, option D, none of the above. Right answer is option A, unidirectional. Okay. Energy flow in ecosystem is unidirectional. Next question. An ecosystem must have continuous external source of option A, minerals, option B, energy, option C, food, option D, all of the above. Right answer is option B, energy. An ecosystem must have continuous external source of energy. Next question. The source of energy in an ecosystem is option A, ATP, option B, sunlight, option C, DNA, option D, RNA. Right answer is option B, sunlight. The source of energy in an ecosystem is sunlight. Next question. Trophic labels are formed by option A, only plants, option B, only animals, option C, only carnivorous, option D, organism linked in food chain. Right answer is option D, organism linked in food chain. Trophic labels are formed by organism linked in food chain. Next question. Biotic potential is counteracted by option A, competition with other organisms, option B, producer is the largest, option C, limitation of food supply, option D, none of the above. Right answer is option D, none of the above. Okay. So biotic potential is counteracted by not to be A, not to be B, and not to be C. Next question, definition of ecosystem is option A, the community of organisms together with the environment in which they live. Option B, the abiotic component of a habitat. Option C, the part of the earth and its atmosphere which inhabits living organisms. Option D, a community of organisms interacting with one another. Right answer here is option A, the community of organisms together with the environment in which they live. Okay, next question. In a food chain of grassland ecosystem, the top consumers are option A, herbivorous, option B, carnivorous, option C, bacteria, option D, either carnivorous or herbivorous. So right answer is option B, carnivorous. Okay. In a food chain of grassland ecosystem, the top consumers are carnivorous. Next question, MAB stands for option A, man and biosphere, option B, man, antibiotics and bacteria, option C, man and biotic community, option D, Mayer, Anderson and Bisbee. So here right answer is option A, man and biosphere. MAB stands for man and biosphere. Next question, species that occur in different geographical regions separated by spatial barrier are option A, allopatric, option B, sympatric, option C, sibling, option D, none of the above. Right answer is option A, allopatric. Species that occur in different geographical regions separated by spatial barriers are allopatric. Next question, which one is true? Okay, option A, symbiosis where neither population affects each other. Option B, symbiosis when the interaction is usual to both the populations. Option C, commensalism when none of the interacting populations affect each other. Option D, commensalism when the interaction is useful to both the populations. And right answer here is option B. Option B is correct statement here, and this is symbiosis when the interaction is useful to both the populations. Okay, next question. A high density of elephant population in an area can result in option A, mutualism, option B, intraspecific competition, option C, interspecific competition, option D, prediction on one another. Right answer here is option B, intraspecific competition. Next question, Waruncles growing on the back of whale is an example for mutualism, option B, parasitism, option C, amenorrhoism, option D, commensalism. Right answer here is option D, commensalism. Okay. Barnacles growing on the back of whale is an example for commensalism. Next question. Penicillium does not shallow the growth of Bacterium staphylococcus. This sort of relationship is called option A, commensalism, option B, predation, option C, amenorrhoism, option D, mutualism. Okay, so here right answer is option C, amenorrhoism. Okay, next question. Symbiosis is shown by option A, E. coli, option B, Cuscuta, option B, Rafflesia, option D, Monotropa. Right answer is option A, E. coli. Symbiosis is shown by E. coli. Okay guys, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching this video. Wish you very all the best for your examination.